Hey, my little friends, welcome back. All right, today I got a good one for y'all. Who likes butterflies? I like butterflies. Y'all like butterflies? All right. Well, then today you're going to learn how to draw a butterfly. Hope y'all are ready. But before we get started, like always, make sure you got paper. Make sure you got a pen or a pencil, color, marker, whatever you got. You know, we're all going to have fun. That's all it's about. Here we go. Let's get started. Now, the first thing we're going to do is the head. You're going to draw a simple circle. Just easy around, just a regular circle. Like I said, nothing perfect. Then from the circle, now we're going to draw the body. The body is just going to go from here all the way down and come around like this and then back up like that. Like I said again, does not have to be perfect. Now we're going to put some lines to separate the way the butterflies are for the belly. Here we go. Look at that. Like I said, it does not have to be perfect. There you go. Now, what's next? Who can tell me? Yeah, you're right. The wings. Now the wings, we're going to start right here. Okay. And we're just going to go around like this. Just follow me. Like this. So we're going to stop right here. And then we're going to go around again. Just like that. Yeah. Just like a big ear. All right. Let's do the other side. Here we go. Same thing as the other side. Go around. We're going to stop right there. And then we're going to do it again. Just like that. Remember, all it is like a loop. Or you can say like the letter B backwards. Learning some letters today, huh? B is for what? Butterfly. B. Now let's put the little circle like this. Yes. Do another one down here, but a little smaller. Now we'll do the same thing on the other side. Just like that. Now up here again, this one a little bigger like the other side. There you go. Starting to see that butterfly, huh? Now we're gonna do the what? The antennas. Just like this. Here we go. Yep. Same thing on the other side. Meow. There we go. Woo. What's missing? The face. Gotta have a face. Here are the eyes, like this. Do another one. Smiling. There you go. There you go, my friends. See how easy was that? Huh? See, you just learned how to draw a butterfly. Again, remember, circle. Start the circle first for the head. Then you're gonna do the body. Do like a drop of water. Then you're gonna do all the little lines, separate. Then after that, you do the ear. Go around like this and then stop. And then go around again, smaller on this side. Repeat the same process on the other side, just like that. And then another one like that. Then after that, you do the circles here, 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 and here. And then the antennas, smiley facey, and you're done. How good was that? You guys are awesome. Well, I hope you enjoyed it and I hope y'all had fun. And again, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. And like I said, we'll come back and do some more. You know, maybe next time we'll do a unicorn, a bear, an elephant, a teddy bear, maybe some flowers. And the world, man, it's got so many things out there we can draw. And you're going to learn them all here on ABC for Kids. So I hope you have fun again, and we'll see you next time, my little friends. Take care. Bye.